How can Facebook remarketing help your business? If you thought that paid advertising was a necessity, then you will be surprised at how remarketing can help your business, especially on Facebook. In fact, you would be leaving a lot of money on the table if you don't get into Facebook remarketing as soon as you finish watching this video training series. Here are the benefits of introducing your business to Facebook remarketing. You will be re-engaging potential customers on the largest social network to date. Chances are that your potential customers are already using Facebook. Don't just take our word for it. Studies have found that close to 80% of internet users use Facebook, and a good chunk of them are using it daily. And you can bet that a good portion of your target audience is in that 80%. That means that, for example, anyone visiting your site is very likely to have Facebook open on another tab on the same browser, which will allow you to immediately show them ads on their newsfeed. Facebook remarketing is actually conversion-driven. Most remarketing platforms rely on tracking cookies to retarget website visitors. The bad news is that tracking cookies track all types of visitors, which means that a significant amount of your remarketing budget will go towards retargeting unqualified, uninterested leads. Facebook, on the other hand, relies on its marketing pixel code, which actually tracks people who have taken certain actions on your website. And these actions can be predefined by yourself, and they include visits to specific pages, items added to shopping carts, time spent on website, and many others. Facebook remarketing increases brand recall. Facebook remarketing campaigns are better at generating brand recall than any other remarketing network because they allow your business to connect with potential customers on a more personal level, no matter your marketing objective, because they will allow you to reach them right when they are using Facebook. It works because leads that are retargeted with your remarketing ads on Facebook after being on your site will remember your business as a go-to brand when looking for your products or services. Facebook remarketing generates repeat business. You can use Facebook remarketing ads to retarget existing customers in several interesting ways. For example, you will be able to retarget your customers on Facebook by using data such as their email addresses to offer them upsells and time-sensitive offers, which will increase your sales and profits. Facebook remarketing is cheap. The reason why the majority of small businesses and entrepreneurs decide to not get into paid advertising is not because they are afraid to fail, but because they are operating on restricted budgets that do not allow them the luxury to experiment with advertising campaigns. Facebook advertising, though, is recognized as a very cheap alternative to most advertising networks. And not cheap in the bad way, but cheap because the platform can afford to allow advertisers to cheaply target its enormous user base. And it gets better with remarketing, because ads only get cheaper down the pipeline as long as your ad units keep your potential audience engaged. Want to learn more fascinating stuff about the Facebook remarketing platform? Then make sure to tune in to our following video.